how to remove Read AI from Zoom. So in order to remove Read AI from Zoom, just go to the marketplace in Zoom, go to your installed apps, navigate to the manage, and then install apps, and go directly to this link right here, then locate the Read AI in the list of installed apps. Then simply just click the remove button next to the Read AI. Now, in order to remove Read AI from a specific meeting, you can go and look in your Zoom meetings participant list, find Read AI, which is usually named something obvious or with non-human cues, then just simply remove the participant. So hover over Read AI's names and then click remove. You can also use chat commands by typing read stop in the meeting chat to make Read AI leave and generate a report, or you can also type opt out to make Read AI leave and delete all data. So in order to prevent Read AI from joining future meetings, just simply disable auto join. So if it joins your meeting, just go to the settings and disable the auto open and meetings. Then you can also check for multiple accounts, and you can also consider admin controls. And that's how you can basically remove Read AI from Zoom.